So if you have a Karcher machine and you find that the pressure has reduced over time, there are a few things you can check. The first and the simplest thing is to swap the lance with another one. I'll show you that in the video. Or it could be the seals in your machine. But the easiest thing you can do is get a lance from someone and swap it around. So now on this machine, I'll show you. It's got a pressure gauge here. So while using this lance on max pressure, it hardly reads any pressure here. That is because this tip at the top here has worn out. This lance is over 15 years old. So I'll show you now the pressure in the air first, and then you can come in and have a look at the dial. Notice the spray pattern, how uneven it is. It's not a nice V shape. And now if you come in and look at the pressure dial here, it's hardly reading anything on here. And now I'll switch the lance over to another one. Take notice of how it's coming out. And if you come in here now and look at this, as you can see, it's even pushing my hand back. So again, I'll just switch it over so you can see. Using this extensively for a couple of years or many years, they do wear out. So your best bet is to just purchase another one and try that out before you decide to do anything with your machine. This is the Turbo Nozzle, the concrete cleaner. I'll attach it to the same machine just to show you how that performs. These do wear out after time as well, and the ball gets stuck in there. So the components in here do wear out after some time. So same principle goes with this. If you find it's low on pressure, your best bet is just to buy a new one. For reference, I'll just show you how a good lance performs, a turbo lance. So these turbo nozzles are very powerful, as you can see there. And also I'll just bring you in here to show you the pressure. So what I just did there by putting the lance up in the air, it's not recommended. I just did that for demonstration purposes. If you want to prolong the life of these, you always put it in the downwards position and then start the machine, because the ball and the seat in there come under a lot of pressure when it's up in the air, and the ball will hit the top here. So the ball should be resting down below on the ceramic and then start it. So that will prolong the life of your turbo nozzle. And another common fault with these turbo lances, it gets stuck in there after some time. If you have an old lance, you can free it up by putting some oil in here and letting it sit. And as you're using the old one, if you don't want to buy a new one, you'll have to keep putting oil in there to keep it lubricated. One maintenance tip I can give you with these turbo lances before you go out and replace it, clean the nozzle in there. Take a pin and clean it, because sometimes mud gets in there and it jams up and then it won't spray properly. And also, if you find your Karcher machine is not starting for some reason, if you put the power on and connected the water, chances are sometimes mud gets in the front of these nozzles and clogs it up and your machine will not start. So if you're having troubles with your Karcher, always best to check the lance first before you decide to go purchase a new machine or get it serviced. Don't forget to check out the channel below for similar videos like this, and also don't forget to give this video a like.